name up in lights. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities, given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat top. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah, Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
Look, now we ballin'. So many bitches are calling. Fuck all the problems, I would better like to do shots at a party. Yes, so am I. Shorty, we can do it all night. Show me what you got, and after I would like to do shots at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party. I would like to do shots at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party. Baby, come on, do shots at a party.
Hold up, shots all night. Pull up, I'm so right. I'm lit, I stay up all night. Get the party turned up, shorty off that white. It's 3 a.m., we got 4 more hours. Broke men's got me feeling new powers. She want shots, she don't want no flowers. Hit the dance floor, she don't want no cowards.
Look, now we ballin'. So many bitches are calling. Fuck all the problems, I would better like to do shots at a party. Yes, so am I. Shorty, we can do it all night. Show me what you got, and after I would like to do shots at a party. I would like to do shots at a party. now we ballin'. So many bitches out of calling. Fuck all the problems, I would better like to do shots at a party. Yes, so am I. Shorty, we can do it all night. Show me what you got, and after I would like to do shots at a party.
Show me what you got, then we take a shot. Fat ass and she move it like a thought. Shorty say she love it when I hit the block. Yeah, you know it, tell her lit when T.O.G. up in the spot. Yeah, I can talk to you if you ain't about none. I don't give a damn, show me that you bout some. Ballin' with a level, bitch, I'm on one. I don't do this any, but she told me that she want one. Yeah, hey, and I'm so damn high. Rollin' up, bitch, I'm so damn fly. Yeah, taking shots all night. Take another, I'ma lose my mind. Yeah, got the sauce for real. Bitches by the bunch, got the sauce for real. Yeah, and I floss to kill. 7 bottles like it was a pill.
Look, now we ballin'. So many bitches out of calling. Fuck all the problems, I would better like to do shots at a party. Yes, so am I. Shorty, we can do it all night. Show me what you got, and after I would like to do shots at a party. I would like to do shots at a party. Baby, come on, do shots at a party. Yeah, yeah.
The ideas that you never acted on, the talents, the gifts, the abilities that you never used. And there they are, standing around your bed, looking at you with large, angry eyes, saying, "We came to you, and only you could have given us life. And now we must die with you forever."
Yeah, I feel so confident in my ability. So I come in again when I run right through, when I gotta make this history. None of people around that really wanna get me down, they ain't gonna get to me. Cause I'm different, consistent, man, I'll be with the free. With my brothers, this the pack. We eat you like a snack. Cause we've been really focused, just making all these raps, making all these raps. Man, I'm possessed, is what it be. Oh, this is just the reason that what I bring is clean. This is nice and it's pristine. It's a thing that you will see. That's my manifest, my journey. Seeing light. It's like prospering and seeing life. I'm the one who really did it right. Now, I ain't really gonna go back down, cause all good things come back round. So I put on my time where I'm at now, cause I'm in the studio just making these bangers. People wanna just try to be against this, they just tell me, dog, yeah, you could never get it. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, whoa, I'm like, no, you don't know. You're the things that I got, the way I go. Underestimated what I been, my bro. But that's okay, that's the way I like it though. Cause they talk, they hate, every single day. People looking at me as they stare me in the face. Reading other thoughts, they don't know that the way that I be going down. Got no minute that I waste. You don't waste it, don't waste it. Get my path, I just embrace it. Do it now, I gotta make it. I ain't really being basic. This ain't average, it's amazing. Man, this is something pure. I rose up from the bottom, I am no more insecure. I'll be confident when I run it down. Yeah, that's what I do when I'm in this. Cause I will change, yeah, into a business that doesn't come at Christmas. This is never just given. I was working, I was living so hard. Now I did it. Yeah, 700K on the Spotify is tripping. It's crazy. I'm the one who really did it. Like. I'm the one who really did it right.
If you died this very moment, what will die with you? What dreams? What ideas? What talents? To reach the point of death, only to realize that you've never lived, only to realize that you've never scraped the surface.